Interested in making $15 every 10 minutes from one website? If your answer is yes, then you're at the right channel. To demonstrate, I'll use only one website to generate $15 every 10 minutes. Because we know you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, we're bringing you another one. It'll take you no more than 10 minutes to complete this task. That's how quick and simple it is. In addition, we are aware of your preference for a more laid-back way of life. Today's video will walk you through the entire process, so be sure to pay attention and keep up with the instructions as you watch. This approach is perfect for newbies who want to make money online in the simplest way possible. The information in this video or technique will help you get started. This morning, we're going to go with an open mind. Cash advances and investments are unnecessary. In addition, it's accessible in the vast majority of countries. Watch everything, and then let us know if it's effective for you. No prior knowledge or expertise is required for today's approach. Even a 5-year-old child can complete this task. You can, of course, insist on it, but not on a 5-year-old. Do not skip any parts and make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end to avoid getting lost in the current strategy. Because you're more likely to miss important details and not get the results you want if you do that. In the year 2021, this will be a simple method of earning money online. By using the best and most efficient platforms, I'll demonstrate how you too can make quick money on the internet. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the entire video. Welcome to Cashflow Unlocked, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment down below. We publish new strategies for earning money online every time. Keep an eye out for new methods that we'll be releasing soon after you've finished watching the video. As a result, you'll have the opportunity to try it out before anyone else. Please take a moment to like and leave a comment on the post. That will help us with the YouTube algorithm, and we'll reach a larger audience. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial then, shall we? The website that we're going to be using for today is right on your screen. This is how the website looks like. As you can see, it shortens URL and earns you money. The way to start is first you need to create an account. Next, you shorten your link. And lastly, you earn money. 3 easy steps that you need to follow for you to immediately start earning. Now, why join this website? What is this? This website is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. So how and how much do I earn? How can I start making money with this website? Well, it's just 3 steps. Number 1, create an account. Number 2, create the link and post it for every visit. You earn money. It's that easy. There's even a 20% referral bonus. This website's referral program is a great way to spread the word of this great service and to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. And there's even a featured administration panel and a low minimum payout. You're only required to earn $5 to cash out, so you don't even need to make $10. If you have $5, you can cash that out right away. You don't have to wait much if all you need is $5. Over here it says we can pay all users via PayPal highest rates and make the most out of your traffic with our always increasing rates. So those are just a few reasons on why you should take part in this website or this method for today. This website had almost 12 million clicks, over 916,000 URLs, and over 53,000 registered users. Now isn't that insane? Moving on, I want you to go on Google and then search on how to ride a bike as an example. And then let's click on Wiki, how results in WikiHow instructions all in text. Now, what I want you to do is take this website's URL, just copy it, and then go back to our website of the day and paste that over here. Hit enter on that, and as soon as you pasted the link, and then now you have your own personal short link. We're going to show you how you can make money with this modified link. Now, we want you to copy your shortened link, and then paste it, and see where it redirects you. And as you can see, it doesn't take you straight to the WikiHow website. Instead, it takes you to this. So more information on how to earn money through MiniEarl.io. And you may be a little bit confused, but don't worry about it, because we're far from done. So just make sure that you pay attention, but ultimately the reason for this is because first, we need to confirm that we aren't a robot. So they want us to click on this box right here before we actually go to the website of the link. Now, basically what's going to happen is that you're going to be earning from this through advertising. So advertisers obviously pay for ads to be clicked. So that's basically how your URL shorteners work. And that's how MiniURL is going to pay you. So if people click on your link, they won't be brought straight to the website, they're going to be brought to some advertisements and all that, and when they watch through those ads, you'll earn from that. And that's really just the basic concept of URL shorteners in general, although most of them have different strategies, and this is just one of those strategies. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends, hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys liked it. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell and leave a comment down below. We'll be releasing a new video next week to show you how to make even more money online by performing basic jobs like these on your computers or mobile phones. So let's get back to the video. Okay, so now how do we advertise these links? Now, how will people click on them? And how do you get paid? Let's show you the publisher rates first, so we can show you how much you can get paid. So in the United States, you'll get paid $4.10 for every 1,000 views. So if you get 8,000 views in 10 or 15 minutes, you're making over $30 in 10 or 15 minutes. And now we're going to show you how you can actually do that. So I want you to go on youtube.com and go ahead and click on explore and then click on trending. So all of these videos are getting a ton of views. And that's precisely why they're trending. Now, what I want you to do is find a video where we can comment or link on so that people can click on it. So how about we look up the iPhone 13? Since we feel like that would be something a lot of people are looking at currently, especially because of the Apple event, and that there are also people looking out for better videos on the iPhone 13 rumors or reviews or stuff like that. So these are the heated topics right now. And that's exactly what we're trying to get. So let's click on this video after looking that up. Let's click on this video, iPhone 13 versus iPhone 12, every single difference tested by this channel, Max Tech. That's the video, and now, what I want you to do is open up google.com and then look up what to look out for iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 rumors. It's more simple. So let's do iPhone 13 rumors. Now, as you can see, we have this. Okay, so let's grab this link and then go on MiniURL and paste it on a MiniURL to shorten the link like so. Copy that link and go back to our chosen YouTube video. And then we can start creating our comments. So go on the comment section and maybe type like this is an excellent review. So that's your opinion. But you're not going to believe these secret Apple rumors that have recently leaked out. Put your shortened link right here. And then you insert your link. So click the link here. So make sure it's really clickbaity. And that's the whole point of it all. So that people will click on it. And if you get 1,000 clicks and probably even more, since people are going to want to know what's really up, you can probably get around 10,000 clicks or even more, which are like 10,000 views. And that's about $22, which is huge to get in a day, and only on one video. Now you can do this an unlimited number of times. You can do this on multiple videos, multiple different links. Just make sure that you follow the strategy that we taught you in order to get people to click on your link and in order for you to earn. Now the trick is to find the perfect video, of course, no matter how many videos those are, as well as make your comment as clickbait as possible. And that's basically it. So make sure that you try this method out so that you can know for yourself how effective this method is. And we're telling you that it is effective. So make sure that you're consistent with it so that you can continuously earn, and make sure that you grow And don't shout. Don't only do it on one video. Do it on 5 videos if you can, because those are still multiple streams of income. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you've made it this far, know that if you decide to take action, you'll start making money right away. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start doing what I showed you in this video. Thank you so much for your patience. I really appreciate it. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload new ways to make money every time, and all you got to do, just like my channel, turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend and leave a comment down below. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which is displayed on the screen after this tutorial. Okay, until next time, and we'll see you in our next videos. Peace and much love.